Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another segment of TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. I am Jim Sakalis with Keller Williams, and we are heading over to a property I just sold for an investor, and he wants me to list it for rent. So I wanted to share with you the area, which is considered the northwest side of Flint. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath with a full basement. It's gorgeous property. It's going to go quick. So stay tuned and let's go check out the neighborhood. So we're coming up on the property now. Everybody takes care of their property. Really quiet neighborhood. And this is the property that we are coming up on now. So this is the inside. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. As I stated, it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, plus a full basement, which is very nice. Let's go check out the kitchen. Kitchen's got a microwave, oven, gas stove, and refrigerator is also included. As you walk over here, we got some extra storage space and a pantry as well. Let's take a look down the hallway. We go to each of the bedrooms. We got a full bath here with a shower, and bedroom here, and then we got a staircase that's going to lead us up to another private bedroom. Great for teenagers that want to have their own space. And check this out. Really nice with hardwood floors as well. And let's take a look downstairs towards the basement. And the basement is off the kitchen here. Nice and clean down here. Move-in ready. Nice extra added space here. You could have an office down here if you work from home. Extra storage down here as well. And then you have your laundry hookups over here, along with your furnace. So if you or anyone you know is looking for a rental in the northwest side, give me a call, 989-800-2274 for price and terms. These properties go fast, so thanks for checking me out. Have a great day. Bye for now.